All right, so there's 4 boxes. There's the left and right panel, the front and back panel, the heater, and the base. All right, we printed out the manual and we wired the new 20 amp. So you start with putting the base down, and then you put the back wall up in there, and then you put the left side on, and you have to lift it up just a couple inches. It says 4 inches, but just a couple inches so you can slide that into that hole. And there's 2 of them on that side left panel, and then it will slide down into the slot like this. After that step I showed you there, the other wall took about 20 seconds to lock in place. All right, next you slide in this vertical bench heater panel into these slots with the heater panel faced out. So connect one of the black and white connectors from this underbench support to the left side wall. It basically comes out from here to there. So the other one coming out of the left side wall goes to the one with the black and white cable that comes out of the floor. So you take the black and white back wall connector to the floor, and it's a 4. It will match right up. Okay, there's 2 left over here that are gonna stay unplugged because it's for if you have vibration resonance therapy. Okay, the next step is connect the green ground connectors together. There's a little tip here. You can plug any male connector to a female one as long as the colors match. So all that we have left are the green grounds.
Grounding it all.
So you can connect any male to a female on these greens. Okay, after the wiring, you put this bench in, the seat. You just basically slide it in, make sure you don't scratch the sides. It's reversible, so one side's ergonomic, one side's flat, and you can switch it out easily after everything's assembled if you want to switch it to the flat side up. Okay, the next step, you put this top panel on, and you need to make sure that these 3 sets of wires on the right side, the left side, and the back come up through this little hole right here, and then the roof panel just sets right down in there. Next step that you have to make sure you don't omit is you have to hook these eye hooks, the sidewall to the top. And you're going to hit each one of these. And then there's one in that corner over there. Okay, after that eye hook, you take this right here and unscrew the one side and connect the side panel to the back panel and repeat that step on the other side. Next you come up here on top and color match all these connectors from the outside wall into the inside boxes. There's 3 separate boxes up here. Okay, this part is not very clear in the manual, but you attach the glass starting with the door side, and you have these brackets here. You have one bracket that goes against the side like this, and one that goes underneath like this. And make sure to use the white plastic spacers that are given. So you have that one on the side, and then against the door you have this one. You have the one piece on the inside, and on the outside you have the 2 pieces. And then you do the same on the other side.
Goes this way.
All right, so the flat part goes up on the door handle, and the rounded part goes down. Then you push the dowels in over the screw right there, and the inside and the outside.
See them in there?
Set those dowels on the inside and the outside. Next step is to get the front window heater, plug it into the floor like this, and then you get these screws, there's 4 of them with washers, and you screw it from the outside through the window and attach like these are the metal screws that you screw that heater onto, but make sure you use those shims. After the heaters are secured, you put this wood and mesh cover over it to protect against burns on the left and the right side. The last step is, if you're facing the sauna, the left rear side has the power cord. Open a trap door, pull it out, and plug it in when you're ready. All right, the last step is take a damp cloth and clean out any sawdust that might be left on the inside. So that is complete. Pretty simple.